Good evening, guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about the $400 sign-up bonus with PNC Bank. This is a great bonus with easy requirements. Just get started here. The requirements to sign up for the PNC business checking account. You need the following types of businesses to get this bonus: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC or LLP, corporation, unincorporated association, organization, nonprofit organization. I did provide a QR code here. You can scan this with your Android smartphone, and it brings it up directly to apply. It's not quite available nationwide. These are the states it's available in. A PNC does use early warning services, similar to checks, they do a check on how many checking accounts you've opened to see if there's any derogatory remarks, and that's what they use to determine your eligibility. So that will be pulled. You need to open a new PNC Business Checking or PNC Business Checking Plus account by December 31st online. You can apply in person or online or by phone. The number provided here, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you do apply online, you'll need a tax ID number, a valid email address, and access to a printer. It's optional. If you do apply in person, you'll need to bring with you a government-issued ID and secondary form of ID, such as U.S. Visa, pay stub, home rental agreement, utility bill, major credit card, debit card, or vehicle registration, documents verifying your business registration and your authority to act on behalf and control, manage, or direct businesses. On the website, there is a link for you to schedule an appointment to go in person if you want to, or you can just walk in. I will probably do a walk-in to take advantage of this bonus since it is it has easy requirements. The offer is only available to businesses with an annual revenue less than $5 million. To open the account, you'll need a minimum of $100 to open it, and following one of the following to avoid a monthly account maintenance fee of $12 per month. You'll need to maintain an average monthly collected balance of $500. Use a linked PNC business credit card to make a minimum of $500 in eligible purchases. Maintain an eligible linked merchant account and generate a minimum of $500 in qualifying monthly processing deposits. That will avoid the monthly service charge of $12. For the $400 business checking sign-up bonus, there is no monthly account maintenance fees for the first 3 statement cycles. So you won't have to worry about that for the first 3 cycles. You need to maintain an average ledger balance of $2,000 in your new checking account for each of the first 3 statement cycles, and at least 20 qualifying PNC Visa business debit card transactions must be made within the first 3 statement cycles to get this bonus. A qualifying debit transaction is defined as any debit card purchase made at any point of sale using your signature or PIN, or purchase made electronically or online using your debit card number, including recurring payments. Any combination of qualifying PNC Visa debit card transactions is acceptable, but must equal 20 within the first 3 statement cycles. A qualifying debit transaction is defined as any debit card purchases made at point of sale using your signature or PIN, or a purchase made electronically or online using your debit card number, including recurring payments. Any combination of qualifying PNC Visa's business debit card transactions is acceptable, but must equal 20 within the first 3 statement cycles. The new checking account must be opened in order for you to receive the reward. The reward will be credited to your eligible account within 90 days after all conditions have been met and listed, and it's listed as a credits new business bonus on your monthly statement. The business reward will be reported on Form 1099. Only business checking accounts with statements that cycle monthly are eligible for this offer. Many of these items are in the terms and condition of the requirement that was scanned on the QR code, so they're listed there as well if you want to take a look at them. There is an early account termination fee of $25 if the account is closed within 6 months. You do get a lot of value with this checking account. There are a lot of items that are offered for free. So some of those items here, you have free online banking, bill pay, mobile banking. There's no charge for online statements. A free PNC Bank Visa debit card is also free. If you do open a new account, it's not eligible for offer if any signer has signing authority on an existing PNC Bank business checking account or has closed an account within the past 90 days, or has been paid a promotional premium in the past 12 months. There is no charge for up to 150 transactions per month based on a combined volume of deposits, deposited items, paid items, and ACH credits and debits received. There is no charge for up to $5,000 cash deposited per month over the counter, at the night depository, or via quick deposit at no charge. There's a quick switch kit to complete your transfer or checking related services to PNC Bank if you want to switch over your business checking. So in short, the $400 business checking sign-up bonus with PNC Bank, it's one of the easiest sign-up bonuses currently available. It requires no direct deposit and a very easy spend requirements. There's only 20 debit card transactions required within a 3-month statement cycle, and that can be pretty easily done, imagine with Cash App reloads or just doing small purchases with your debit card. Once your sign-up bonus is received, pull that money out, transfer to a high-yield savings account for additional earning potential, and continue to rinse and repeat and do this with other bonuses. If you like this content and enjoy it, please hit the like buttons and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me directly or leave a comment in the description. Thanks for listening, and you guys have a great day.